Hello viewers, welcome to Sports and Fitness Foods. Today I am going to share an instant whole moong dal dosa, or in South India it is popularly called as Pesarattu. It is very healthy, delicious and can be prepared in very less time. There is no need of soaking the dal, and also there is no added rice in this recipe. So it is completely gluten-free dosa. It is high in protein and fiber and low in calorie. So Weight Watchers can go for it without having any doubt. You can have this for your breakfast, lunch or dinner. The chutney which I am going to share in this video is completely oil-free and raw type chutney. It is very delicious and mouth-watering chutney. So do try this recipe. It goes very well with this pesarattu. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the recipe. Into a bowl, add 2 cups of whole moong dal. There is no need to soak this dal. You can directly wash it a couple of times and grind it. Now add some water into it and rinse it well 2 to 3 times to get rid of the dirt particles from it, and discard the water after each rinse. Here I am adding this rinsed dal into a mixer jar. Add some salt, 2 green chilies, a small piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of jeera, and finally add some water into it. Close it with a lid and grind it into a smooth paste. Now I am adding this paste into a mixing bowl. First add little amount of water and mix it very gently. Now I am adding some more water into it and mix it well and make it into a pouring consistency. Now our dosa batter is ready to use. For the chutney, take a mixer jar, add 3 big green chilies into it, half cup of fresh coconut pieces, 1 cup of dry roasted and peeled peanuts, add some salt, and finally add some water into it. Cover it with a lid and grind it into a smooth chutney. Now grease the pan with very little oil and heat it. Maintain the flame at low, then pour 1 big ladle full of batter at the center and immediately start spreading it into a thin dosa. Now cook well on one side till it becomes crisp. Maintain the flame at low to medium low only. When it becomes crisp, then flip it over and cook well on the other side as well. Flip it again, fold it, and now let's plate it. Grease the pan again and prepare the remaining dosas in the same way. Now our super healthy, delicious, protein and fiber rich moong dal dosa or pesarattu with oil-free peanut and coconut chutney is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it and share this to your friends, and also subscribe this channel for more tasty, healthy and quick fitness recipes. Meet you in the next video.